Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to another blooming episode of Esteelicious Garden. If you're wondering what to grow in your home garden this season to add some freshness and vitality, we've got two fantastic plant suggestions for you: ginger and waterleaf. Let's begin with ginger, a wonderfully aromatic root that thrives beautifully in containers. You don't need anything fancy. Store-bought ginger will do just fine. Here's how to plant it. 1. Cut your ginger into small chunks, making sure each piece has at least one visible bud or eye. 2. Fill your container halfway with rich compost. 3. Place the ginger pieces with the buds facing upwards. 4. Gently cover them with more compost. 5. Water thoroughly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. 6. Label your container and place it in a warm, shaded spot. 7. Most importantly, make sure your container has holes at the bottom for proper drainage. With the right conditions, you can expect your ginger to start sprouting in 2 to 3 weeks. Waterleaf typically takes about 4 to 6 weeks to reach harvest stage, depending on growing conditions. You'll know it's mature when the leaves are full and the plant begins to flower. Watch as I pop open the buds to reveal the seeds, perfect for saving and replanting. Now let's plant waterleaf, a lush, leafy vegetable that's packed with nutrients. You can grow waterleaf in 2 ways, from seeds or from the stem. In this video, we're using stem cuttings. Here's how. 1. Remove any seed, pods, and leaves still attached to the stems. 2. Place the stems in a container filled with clean water, ensuring the base is submerged. The water should be changed every 1 to 2 days. 3. Leave them in a bright, warm spot but not under direct sun. 4. After a few days, you should notice roots beginning to develop. 5. Once roots are visible, transplant the stems into a container filled with compost and water them well. And that's it. Too easy to grow plants that will add life and flavor to your garden. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Looking to buy viable seeds and gardening essentials? Visit us at our website for quality supplies and expert tips. Happy gardening, and see you in the next episode of Esteelicious Garden.